Wi-Fi convenience. The eufy Home app, and Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. Worry-free cleaning. The slim 2.85 body, upgraded to 1500 pascals suction, only cleans the areas you want. BoostIQ Technology. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed, so you get the best clean. A quiet clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes of constant, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. What you get. RoboVac 15C, remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. We have a dog, a cat, and a blended family of 5 teens. I wish I had bought this a long time ago, as it would have saved me lots of angst from stepping on messy floors and fighting with teens to vacuum. Day 3 of using this and I am loving it. It did stall at one point because of long hair caught in the brush. 3 of the teens are girls with long hair, as well as myself, so no surprise, but it alerted me on my phone and it took just a minute to clear it out and off it went again. It's doing a fabulous job. I just started it with my phone app from work today, so I'll go home to clean floors tonight. So happy with this purchase. Now if only it emptied the dishwasher.